Hello arugula lovers! In this video we are looking at how to grow and harvest arugula seeds. Now typically we would harvest arugula leaves to eat while the plant is still quite young. But if we leave a plant to mature fully, they will bolt, which basically means they grow upwards and they begin to flower. As those flowers are pollinated, they will dry up, fall off, and soon a seed pod will emerge. These pods can have upwards of 20 seeds in each of them. Here's what this looks like early on. We see that these seeds are white and almost transparent. They haven't fully matured yet, and they would not be viable. We want to wait until the seed pods on the plant are beginning to turn brown and dry out. From these pods, we get these darker brown seeds. And that's exactly what we're looking for. These will be viable. It's really simple stuff, and if you let a plant go to seed every couple of years, you'll have an abundance of seeds and an endless supply to grow arugula forever. Happy harvesting!